Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade eToro Markets, a leading social trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and more. To get started, you need to create an account on the eToro website or mobile app and deposit funds to begin trading. First, navigate to the eToro dashboard, where you can view various markets, including stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. Browse through the different categories and select the market you want to trade. For example, if you want to trade stocks, click on the Stocks tab and browse through the list of available stocks. Once you have selected the market you want to trade, click on the Trade button to open a new trade. Here, you can set the amount you want to invest and choose from various risk management options, such as stop loss and take profit. It is essential to set these limits to minimize potential losses and maximize gains. In addition to trading individual markets, eToro also offers a feature called Copy Trader, which allows you to copy the trades of experienced traders. This feature is ideal for beginners who want to learn from others and gain experience. To use Copy Trader, browse through the list of top traders and select the one you want to copy. Another key concept to understand when trading eToro Markets is leverage. Leverage allows you to trade with a larger amount of money than you have in your account, which can amplify your gains, but also increases the risk of losses. Use leverage wisely, and always set risk management limits to minimize potential losses. To maximize your trading experience on eToro, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis. eToro provides a range of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis, to help you make informed trading decisions. Additionally, you can join the eToro community to connect with other traders, share ideas, and learn from their experiences. In conclusion, trading eToro Markets requires a combination of knowledge, experience, and risk management. By following these steps and using the various features and tools available on the eToro platform, you can maximize your trading experience and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose.